Common customers questions. Unsay permero nakong buhaton? Unsay permero nakong buhaton? What should I do first? What should I do first? Unsay permero nakong buhaton? Now let's break it down. Unsay is what? Permero. Permero. First. Nako. In here, there is nako. Is actually a contracted word of nako nga. But we like to shortcut words because it is more efficient. We say nako. Nako means you're referring to yourself. Buhaton. Buhaton is do. Okay? Something to do. Okay?
If you're very new here, mga igala, my name is Maestra Judy. Now let's have a very quick review. What is what in Cebuano? What is unsa? Unsa. Next question. What is first in Cebuano? First in Cebuano. Permero. Permero. Another term for first in Cebuano is una. Una. Next question. What is nako? Nako. Nako is I. I. This is actually the object pronoun first person. Next one. What is to do in Cebuano? To do in Cebuano. To do is buhaton. 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 Mga igala, the Cebuano verb conjugation book is now available on any Amazon marketplace, and it's also available on my Shopee and Lazada and on my website. And to access all my lessons, please head over to my website cebuano101.com. Bye! Daghang salamat ug amping kanunay.